Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on Magic Tile 3. To know how to fix or how to solve login problem on Magic Tile 3, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Magic Tile 3. After that you can click on first step and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app and you can delete your app here. That can delete your app if you click clear data. And in the end you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.